and it's one of my favorite colors right now. But let me know if you're looking for anything else so I can help you there. Emma, what are you doing there? Okay. Is a human hair wig better than a synthetic wig? Not necessarily. The reality is a high-quality synthetic wig, when put together with a human hair wig, are often difficult to tell apart. Ow! Sorry. A human hair wig will last you longer. You can wear it for around a year, but the price range from $200 to $5,000 or even more. Although a synthetic wig lasts a few months depending on use and upkeep, if you don't like it, you can easily change it for around $20. Oh my god! Lady Grey is the best! A high-quality synthetic wig can take heat and can be resold with heat tools up to 250 Fahrenheit, just like your own hair. A synthetic wig won't react to bad weather, it will retain its style. In contrast, human hair wigs can react to bad weather. They might get frizzy and lose their style. Human hair is considered high maintenance, just like your own hair. Okay, girl. Should I? It requires washing, conditioning, and proper styling. Synthetic wigs, on the other hand, are very low maintenance. You only need to brush them and keep them correctly to prevent any tangling. So, have you decided which wig you want to go for? I can't wait to know your answers in the comments. So let me know.